Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if can't receive text messages on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search messages app. Click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache messages app. After clear cache messages app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset all settings. Click on reset and enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if it can't receive text messages on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.